5 years na ako sa YouTube, pero 1,800 pa rin ang subscriber ko. Hindi ito yung typical YouTube success story na sasabihin ko sa'yo na just keep posting and eventually you'll blow up. Kasi kung ganun lang kadali, baka matagal na akong successful.
Throw your hands up if you with it, drop it.
Alam mo mga papi, since 2022, kung ano-anong content na ang in-upload at ginawa ko rin sa YouTube. Nag-start ako sa cooking, tapos naging online shopping, Boodle Finds, tapos nag-upload rin ako ng Civic ESI at saka CRV Gen 1 content ko. Tapos napunta ako sa fitness and running. Tapos ngayon, nagko-concentrate ako sa BPO workplace experiences at saka practical workplace wisdom. And after all those years, may mga videos pa rin ako na 100 lang ang views. Yung iba nga, 50 lang eh. Or minsan, mas mababa pa. But the weird thing is, hindi pa rin ako tumitigil mag-upload. Hindi dahil sa feeling ko magiging YouTuber ako na milyon ng subscriber. Actually, hindi ko nga alam kung saan hahantong lahat ng to eh. Pero every time na may nag-comment, may nanood, or kahit makita ko lang that there are 100 people who spent a few minutes para panoorin yung content na in-upload ko, parang may maliit na reminder na, okay, may silbi pala yung ginawa ko. And somewhere along the way, na-realize ko, YouTube is teaching me the same lesson that 18 years in the BPO taught me. Hindi lahat ng effort, mabilis makita ang resulta. I-connect ko lang mga papi sa operations kasi, hindi dahil nag-coach ka ngayon, bukas perfect na ang performance ng agent mo. Hindi dahil nag-launch ka ng action plans, bukas tataas na ang performance ng KPI mo. Minsan, talagang kailangan mong ulit-ulitin. Coach, measure, adjust, and then try again. Pareho rin sa YouTube. Upload, check the views, and then learn. Improve the hook, improve the storytelling, upload again, and slowly, you become better. Kung may ginagawa ka ngayon, whether it's your career, business, fitness, or content creation, and feeling mo mabagal ang progreso mo, don't confuse slow progress with no progress. Magkaiba kasi yon, papi. At work, hindi mo naman kailangang maging best employee sa buong company. Ang kailangan mo lang is be better than the version of yourself from yesterday. Same with YouTube. Hindi mo naman kailangan magkaroon ng 100,000 subscriber eh. Pero syempre, it's better kung meron ka. Pero mas mahalaga, kailangan ko lang gumawa ng video na mas maganda kaysa ginawa ko yesterday or last month. Mas magandang hook, mas magandang message, mas magandang delivery. At syempre, mas may value. That's it. 5 years na ako sa YouTube. 1,800 subscribers. 1 payout. Second payout, hopefully, coming soon. Hindi siya impressive kung ikukumpara mo sa ibang creators. Pero para sa akin, mga papi, progress pa rin. Because the biggest lesson YouTube taught me is the same lesson I learned from working in the BPO. Sometimes, our job is not to control the result. Our job is to consistently do the work that gives result a chance to happen. Create your luck, ika nga. Again, so kung may ginagawa ka ngayon na mabagal ang progress, don't quit just because you're not where you want to be yet. Keep learning, keep adjusting, keep showing up. Kasi baka yung 100 views na iniisip mong maliit, may 100 people pala na kailangang marinig ang kwento mo. And who knows, maybe one of them is the reason why you keep going. Yun lang. Thanks for watching. Till the next Boodle. Peace, mga papi.